Hey, welcome back. So this video is for anybody who is an investor basically of any kind, whether you are a growth investor or a dividend investor, whether you're investing in low yield dividend stocks like 3M, Coca-Cola, SCHD, or you're a high yield investor like going into Tesla, Coney, things like that. Or if you are just into performance in growth stocks like Tesla or Microsoft, Apple, or anything like that, I've got a proposal for you that can result in massive increases in the size of your portfolio. I'm talking like, doing a 4X basically in your portfolio. So having at least 4 times as many stocks and ETFs as you do right now, if you are willing to make an investment now and wait 12 to 18 months for that to happen. So it's an incredible opportunity. I'm going to explain what it is. It's pretty simple. It deals with grayscale trusts, investing in those and making some incredible gains to increase your portfolio. So my name's Ethan. If you don't know who the hell I am, you're just seeing this video for the first time. I talk a lot about investing, high yield dividend ETFs, and cryptocurrency and grayscale trust specifically. So I'm going to tell you about a couple investments that can just transform your world and your portfolio, just supersize it big time. And it's a limited time offer because essentially what we're doing is we are capitalizing on a bull run that we're basically staring right down. We're looking right at it. It's heading our way. We are heading its way. And there's a limited time opportunity to get into this. So here's an idea. Let me take you through an example, show you some numbers, what you could do with your portfolio. If for example, you would be willing to take 10% of your existing portfolio and allocate it to grayscale funds, specifically LTCN, the Litecoin Trust, or BCHG, the Bitcoin Cash Trust. I think maybe a split of both. I think you could see incredible gains. Now, myself and others think that these things could really rocket in the bull market. And that's about a 12-month period from now, moving into 18 months from now when you'd see really good prices and could sell out of this thing. So if you were to invest in LTCN and BCHG, and if those assets do a 50X from where we are right now, the 10% of your portfolio turns into a value that is equal to 500% of your portfolio. Right now, if you sell that off, I'm assuming you're not in a Roth IRA and you're gonna be in a standard taxable account. You're gonna have to pay some taxes. So let's assume that you're left with, 3.5x times your portfolio in gains after taxes. So if you got 3.5x gains, that's on top of your 1x that you already are sitting on in your portfolio, basically done a 4.5x on your portfolio. So that means that you can buy 4.5 times as many shares of Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, Coney, Tesla, SCHG, 3M, Coca-Cola, whatever it is that you're into, if you're just willing to put, for example, in this case, 10% of your existing portfolio into the grayscale LTCN and BCHG trust shares, because I think they could perform amazingly well. There are no guarantees in anything, but I and others, like I said, believe that there's a really good chance that we could do a 50X on these from where we are right now in terms of price points. And that has the ability to just allow you to buy a ton more shares of whatever it is that you love. If you are willing to just, for the time being, for the next 12 to 18 months, take 10% of your existing portfolio and rotate it into grayscale, LTCN, and BCHG. There are other grayscale trusts that you can also get into that might perform as good or even better potentially. So there, you can do your research, but LTCN and BCHG are what I think are a pretty good share bet for awesome returns. So I've done a lot of videos on these if you haven't seen this channel before. So anyway, that's it for this video. Just giving you some ideas. If you are a growth investor, if you're a dividend investor, a grayscale investor, crypto investor, whatever you are, please join the Discord. It's gonna be linked in the pinned comment below. We've got over 800 people, moving close to 1,000 people that are from all around the world. We talk about investing, dividend investing, growth investing, grayscale, cryptocurrency investing, all that kind of stuff. So anyway, I will see you guys in the next video. If you find this video useful, you're intrigued by it, definitely subscribe and watch my content for future updates. All right, I'll see you guys soon. Take care.